Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty gets a serious upgrade. Today, I'm diving into a product that promises to give you a salon-quality hair coloring experience at home, the COLORCHARM Cream Hair Color Developer. Whether you're looking to blend your grays or add a rich, multidimensional finish to your hair color, this product is designed to do it all. But does it really deliver on its promises? Let's find out. COLORCHARM's Cream Hair Color Developer is specifically formulated for use with Colortango hair color and toners. It's designed to create an optimal environment for those colors to really deposit onto your hair, especially if you're aiming for vibrant, long-lasting results. With a 10-volume formulation, it's perfect for more gentle coloring, ideal for depositing color, and achieving a natural, blended finish without excessive lift. The product itself comes in a convenient bottle, making it easy to mix and apply with your hair color. No mess, no fuss. I found the consistency of the developer to be smooth, which made it simple to combine with the color. This is especially important when you're working with semi-permanent or permanent colors because a smooth consistency ensures an even application. When it comes to real-world use, I tried out this developer during a regular home coloring session. I was looking for something that would help soften the harshness of my natural grays while still giving me that rich, glossy finish. I paired it with the Colortango hair dye, and the process was relatively simple. It mixed well with the color, and application was easy with minimal dripping. It also didn't have an overpowering smell, which is something I really appreciated. The results were impressive. My hair took the color beautifully, and I noticed a soft, well-blended finish. It didn't leave me with that artificial, flat look that some developers can create. Instead, the color had a lovely multidimensional quality, exactly what I was hoping for. I also didn't experience any scalp irritation, which can sometimes happen with stronger developers. As for the pros, I'd say that its smooth consistency is a huge win for easy mixing and application. It also delivers on its promise of gray blending and depositing color, leaving hair with a subtle richness that feels natural. Plus, it doesn't have that strong chemical scent, which is a big plus when you're applying it at home. On the downside, while the 10-volume developer is gentle, it's not going to provide much lift. If you're looking to lighten your hair significantly, you may need a stronger developer or a different product altogether. It's really best for color depositing, not drastic changes in shade. When it comes to value for money, the COLORCHARM Cream Hair Color Developer is fairly priced for what it offers. Given that it's specially formulated to work with Colortango hair color, it ensures the best results when paired with the brand's other products. If you're already using Colortango or similar color lines, this developer is a no-brainer. But if you're working with another brand, it might not provide the same seamless results. Now, if you're someone who's looking for a developer that offers more versatility and works across a wider range of coloring needs, you might find yourself drawn to other products. Developers with higher volumes, like 20 or 30, offer more lift if you're looking to brighten your color or go lighter. In terms of packaging, the bottle is simple and functional, but nothing fancy. The formula has a long shelf life, so it won't spoil quickly, making it a good choice for anyone who dyes their hair regularly. I haven't had to reach out to customer support for this product, so I can't speak to that experience directly. However, COLORCHARM has a solid reputation for providing dependable products, and they're known for being responsive in case you do need assistance. If you're on a budget, there are some alternatives to consider. Developers like the L'Oreal Quick Blue or Wella's color developers may also give you similar results, especially if you're not specifically looking to use Colortango color. While they may vary in performance, they are more versatile and typically less expensive. So, does the COLORCHARM Cream Hair Color Developer live up to its claims? For anyone using Colortango hair color, it's a must-have for achieving the rich, multidimensional results that the brand promises. It's gentle, effective, and easy to use. However, if you're looking for a developer that provides significant lift, you may need to look elsewhere. If this review was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.